Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Hiccups. Peppa, John, Mommy and Daddy were having breakfast. It's a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and John can't wait to go into the garden. Mommy, please, can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. John, drink the juice too quickly. George drank his juice too quickly and now he has hiccups. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? Not will. George has hiccup, but George's hiccups have gone. Mommy, have a day, George. All right, you can go out and play, but look after George. Peppa and George love playing in the garden. George, I'm gonna throw the ball, and then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. George! Now you throw the ball to me and I have to catch it. George! Oh dear, George's hiccup is spoiling the game. George, I now have to cure hiccups. You have to do what I say. Rub the top on your hands and rub your tummy. Good, now your hiccups have gone. Peppa cured your hiccup doesn't seem to have worked. George, you done it wrong. I now a better one to cure hiccup. First, jump up and down 3 times, one on leg. Now, wave your arm and up and down and stick your tongue out. And now close your eye and turn around quickly 3 times. Peppa has broken either. Start he still had hooked. And now to cure hiccups. The piggy must give a shock. George, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember, it's only a game and it stops your hiccups. Remember, this is just friends and scary. Peppa, you must play you longer with George. Here, only little. Sorry, Mommy. I was just trying to stop George's hiccup. George's hiccups have gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 beakers of the juice. George, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccup again. I'm not as little as George. I can drink just as quickly as I want to. Peppa Pig.